Hello guys, today I want to present my presentation about the social research that is inappropriate dressing in St. John Catholic School. Okay, the background problem is the purpose of this study is provide information from the main research areas in terms of social dress. This review discuss published research into both areas. Clothing as a stimulus and its influence on attribute by others, attribute of self and one behaviors and the relation between clothing, body and self. We identify the theoretical approach used in conducting research in this field, providing an abbreviated research background in this field that provides direction for us to know about your people picture of dress, such as the effect of inappropriate dress and it is disturb the people or not. Example like that, whether they are dressed for style and affected by the relationship with the surrounding environment. So our most important task is to find the information. Problem formulation based on the background above. The formation will be as follows. First, in the correlation between inappropriate dressing and friends socialization. And the second, how is the inappropriate dressing help you to make relation with friends? The research goal. The purpose of this scientific writing are first, to give correct image about inappropriate dressing to the educators to make the right preventive or corrective action in children this age. And the second, to find presentation about how many children dressing inappropriate things. So I will present about the underlying theories. More detail about inappropriate dressing. Inappropriate dress in the workplace include tight or revealing clothes or clothing that doesn't project from professionalism. Jeans and the t-shirt usually are inappropriate workplace. Attire as the most body piercing. Many workplaces consider blouse that show any amount of cleavage inappropriate, as well as high skirt. Please the lagu. My summary and thinking framework. This research is based on the following thinking framework. Learning achievement isn't only influenced by internal factor like psychology, but also external factor like family. Family factor includes upbringing, method, parent-children relationship, parent attitude, family economy, and family atmosphere. The success of children at school depend on their condition at home. Family education is the foundation of or base of children next education. Results of the family education define the next education level of the children at school or in the society. And then hypothesis. In this mini thesis, those will test are alternative hypothesis or HA. Their dressing is influenced not by own lifestyle. And the second, zero hypothesis or HO. Their dressing is influenced by environment. Research location. I define the research location to be at SMA St. John Tangerang. And the research object. Population is all object of the research. The population in this research were 8 until 12 grader of St. John Catholic School, as many as 90%. Samples are part of population with the same characteristic to represent the population. Sample in this research were some of students of St. Peter and St. Mary, randomly taken as many as 30 students. Research method approach. The method of approach applied in this research was correlation method, finding the relationship among the variable examined. This correlation method was to find out any relationship between one variable and other variable, and among them the collect objective data. The research type below were used. First, field research, a research to collect the data directly for the field by visiting the population on the spot. Data collecting technique to collect data as above using data collection techniques such as the following questionnaire given the student as material to collect data to find out about peer group influence to academic achievement. Data processing technique. First, data process technique. To collect the data in this research, the researcher took the following action. A. Examining all questionnaire one by one and on their completeness and their clarity. B. Tabulating the data in form of the table and the next be state in frequency and pie chart. Data analyzing technique. For the data, researcher use percentage to get the total amount examined. To the result are the result that we will enter into the table or chart. Finding the total percent using formulation. So to define the total percent, this research using formula answer or total answer times 100%. All the parts do the same thing so that all parts are even. Conclusion. This modern era, the young generation can arrange themselves with clothes such as when traveling with friends or with parents. Parents. Nowadays, young children can dress according to the existing trend. Because trend have start to rise, young people will follow trends. Finally, they dress some like the other. Some dress strangely until they start wearing clothes that were slightly exposed. At the end, there are many children who were dressed inappropriately. From the data that I took, the average that many students who dress slightly open but still can be accepted in the environment. They still have restriction in dress. My recommendation. My opinion is the problem in dressing is a bit difficult to change because they dress according to what they like, right? So the people who forbid with definitely argue with the person. Person. Those who need help and friends and parents. Only those who are close and can help with problem like this. We need to help them, tell them about the inappropriate and appropriate clothing, so that people who inform will understand and be able to enable. Talking about the pie chart, I will give you my pie chart. So from this research, we as teenagers should be responsible from for the clothes they wear, because you think the clothes you wear define who you are. Thank you. Thank you for the people who helped me from to make this researcher done. Thank you.